Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 18th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the US dollar Canadian, like I was saying yesterday, if this was a wave three that is sort of maintained downward momentum, the pullbacks are okay, but an impulsive move to the upside with a break of structure normally doesn't happen if you're in a wave three. That is more the price action you would expect to see in a wave C. So if this right here is a wave C, then this is actually probably a pretty significant turn, and it may actually go all the way back up and retest these higher highs. So keeping that in mind, going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would have my Fibonacci retracement on here. Now, one thing I would be very cautious about is, there's definitely a possibility that it just maintains impulsive movement and it just keeps on going down. That's why I'm not going to go long unless I see a recognizable pullback. I would want to see some sort of a three-way pullback to a Fibonacci retracement level. Then I would want to see like an engulfing move to the upside, and that would be what I would be looking for because it definitely is a breaker structure up. So hopefully it's a breaker structure, pullback entry, and hopefully it goes up for either a nice big wave three or at least a wave C. I think that if this right here is a wave C, then it should potentially be a wave one, a wave two, and then eventually go back up for a big wave three. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.